Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be making DIY mood board. We need a circular loop. I have this tiara, wool and some clips that are easily available in the market. Now tie one end of the wool on the circular loop you are having like this. Now turn the bowl around your circular loop in the zigzag way. Now tie the last end on the loop once it's done. Place your to-do list or pictures with the help of the clips. And it's done! If you like this mood board, do comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.